Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I made this stud earring. It's cute. So our materials, I have two colors of 11 owa seed beads. I have the purple and the gold. And this bicone. And this is a 2.5 millimeter. And I have these are montees. And this is 4 millimeter. And it has four holes. And I have flat paws earring studs. And this is 8 millimeter in diameter. And my beading needle number 11. And I'm going to use this thread. So let's begin. First, I put my stopper and just leave a short tail. Then I'll pick up my montee. Pick up 3 gold. Pick up another 3. And pick up another 3. Pick up 3. So I'll pick up purple, bicone, and purple. So this is the 3 that I added. So I'm going to pass through the middle. Pick up another purple, bicone, and purple. exit to gold, pick up 3 gold, exit to gold, pick up another 3, and I'm going to continue adding 3 gold here and here. Then I pick up purple, then pass through, pick up another purple, pass through bicone, pick up another purple, pick up purple, pass through bicone, then pick up 3. I exited to purple and I'll pick up 3 purple, pass through purple, into gold, pick up another 3 purple, and pass through purple into gold, and I'm going to continue adding 3 purple here and here. So this is my last 3 purple, and I pass through purple, then I'll pick up 2 gold, 1 purple, and 2 gold, 2 gold, 1 purple, and 2 gold. And my thread is coming out from here, and I'm going to pass through then pick up 2 gold, 1 purple, 2 gold, and I'll pass through, pick up another 2 gold, 1 purple, 2 gold, 1 purple, 2 gold, and I'll pass through 2 gold and exit to purple. This is the first set of 2 gold, 1 purple, and 2 gold that I added a while ago. So I'm exiting to purple. Then I'll pick up 1 purple, pass through purple, pick up another purple, pass through purple, so I'm going to put a little glue on my flat paws ear stud. So this is the glue that I use. So I put a little glue. I'll just wait until it gets dry. My phone keeps ringing. Sorry about that. So I think it's already dry. So I'm going to just pull my thread. And pass through all the purples. Again to reinforce it. And one more. So I'm passing through 2 gold, just go to the front. I'm going to just pass through some of the beads and make some couple of knots before I cut my thread. And I will also do the same here. Pass through some beads, make some couple of knots, and then I'll cut my thread and the earring is done. So it's done. It's cute. Hey guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who already joined, thank you so much. It's pretty. Yesterday, I reached my 1,000 subscribers. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for all the support and love. Hope you like it. Thank you guys again for watching. Have a blessed day and happy beading.